Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is, "This is how uncooperative traffic stops should be handled."
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers were on patrol when they observed an 18-year-old named Shaughnessy run a stop sign.
Hi, you got your license on you? Why are you driving so fast, girlie?
Huh?
Why are you driving so fast? Where's your license?
How? I just pulled out from the house. What did you talk about? Did you sure you got the right car?
Yes, I got the right car. Where's your license?
Call my mama. What did you talking about? I just pulled out from the house.
Yeah, you ran the stop sign at the house, which is why we're stopping you.
No, I didn't run the stop sign.
Not over here. Over across the 38.
Exactly. No, I didn't.
Okay, we're not going to fight this.
Yes,
okay?
it is, because what are you talking about?
I need your license and registration, not... You're about to get pulled out of the car if you don't give me your license and registration.
I have my license and registration. That's the point.
Okay, then you shouldn't be driving.
I did tell me something. I ran the stop sign at the house.
Come on.
What the f? At the store.
I'm asking you to...
Can you let me go? I can get out. No, I don't have my license.
Get out of the car.
I'm finna. Can you let me go? What the f you touching me for?
Get out.
Let me go. I'm finna get out. What the f you doing?
out.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'll be at the f***ing store. She told me, man, get off my phone. I ain't gonna lie. Stop. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all got me f***ed up. Y'all got me f***ed up. There ain't no stop sign. Y'all tripping. What the f***? You know how to drive? What the f*** you done? Y'all ain't gonna lie. On my mama. I swear to God, y'all got it out for y'all, boy. Yeah, what's up? Bro, go. Let me the f*** go. Go, Jack. Come on, I ran the f***ing stop sign. I sat at the stop sign for the longest. What did you talk about? Huh? Jesus. All that. First of all, how y'all even see me at the stop sign? Y'all can't this way. Man, stop touching me, girl, for a bit.
You don't want me to search?
None of that.
We got one detained and she's uncooperative.
I am cooperative, whatever you said. It's not funny.
You're good. Did you call a stop out?
What's going on?
She doesn't have a license and she's driving.
No.
Okay.
Come on.
Look, she doesn't have a license and she's driving. Okay? That's why she's being detained and she's uncooperative. Not with the way she's acting.
Okay, because she didn't know what was going on.
Okay, that doesn't mean call your mom and ignore the cops. We're asking for her information.
I was calling her at the time when it was happening.
Regardless, let us do our investigation. It's not for you to decide.
I can take the car.
No. You cannot sit here and dictate it.
Take the car.
No, you cannot.
Yes, I can.
I ran the stop sign and I sat at that for like 5 minutes. Tell me how I ran the stop sign and I sat there 5 minutes.
That's what you need to do.
I just told you, what are you talking about? You can't irritate me. Like, you're not understanding. I'm not in my shoes right now, so you're not understanding. How did I run the stop sign and I sat at that stop sign for about 5
Not 37th Street, 38th Street.
What? Over there?
All right, so there's enough of that for right now. So, a couple of things, right? The officer didn't come off at her messed up. You know what I mean? Like, typically, I say it all the time, man. If you a lady, you a female, you a woman, man, and you get pulled over by a cop, you better hope it's a guy. Because most of the time, a lot of the time, when it's a female officer dealing with another female suspect, that female officer gonna get you together. I ain't gonna lie. You better off with a guy. You can maybe sweet talk him or do something. You know what I'm saying? Listen, guy, hey, at the end of the day, we human, right? But here's the thing. It's like when you dealing with another woman, man, she not tolerating none of your bullshit, man. You ain't even got a shot. It's over with. And then you're gonna come off at her with the smart lip. The officer didn't even come approach her crazy. She's like, "Why you driving so fast, girlie?" You know, like it was like, and here she go, popping off at the mouth, off rip. It's like, damn, you know. And another thing is like, the mom, I see what the mom was saying. She didn't really mean it literally. Like, all right, so when the mom came up and she was like, I could take the car, I don't think the mom was saying it as if like to dictate what was going on. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the mom was just letting you know that, you know, you don't got to call a tow truck. You know, I could take the car. Because typically when they pull somebody over, they're going to ask, hey, can somebody come get it? Or yada, yada, yada. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's what was happening. And then when the female officer popped back, was like, no, you ain't. Yada. I think there was like a miscommunication there or whatever. And then the girl pops back and she's like, yeah, I could. Like, and then it just spiraled out of. But I think initially the mom wasn't meaning it as if like to dictate what is going on or whatever. But she was just saying, you know, I could take the car, you know, and I would have took that as like, you know, when we get to that time when y'all done, you know, she ain't interfering or whatever, you know, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? So I could take the car, you know. That's what I thought she meant initially. But then, you know, the ladies start bickering with ladies now. Y'all know, listen, you know how it is, man. You know how it is. Y'all ladies, a lot of y'all get along better with the guys. You know, the girls, they be catty with each other. Come on, don't act like you don't know. I know. Don't act like you don't know. I know, I see it. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, they be, yeah. But anyway, let's get back into it.
When you left the house, you got in the car and you blew the stop sign. Detectives are watching you. The undercovers are the ones watching, all right?
What are you talking about?
You flew in and then you got in the house, you got back in the car, and then you flew right back out. Just give him your name. Do you want to leave or not? That's you're not leaving. Look, she does not, you see how she's acting? She's not leaving like that. So she's going to go to jail for obstruction. She's not giving us the name.
I know her name.
So we need it from her. Uncooperative, mom's going to take the car.
Okay.
I need your ID.
See?
This is how she's been ever since we got out with her. She literally could have got a citation and left here, but she wants to act like this and act a fool in front of everybody.
Just happened with her.
Okay,
That's why she just
I
got
understand.
beat up by some people.
Okay.
So that's why she
Regardless,
was driving
don't
like
take it out on us.
She don't know now. I'm sorry. I'm apologizing for her.
She's driving at a high rate of speed. Officers saw her flying into where the cul-de-sac is, and then she got out of the car, she got back in the car, blew that stop sign, and yes, she was sitting at the stop sign at 37th Street, but that's not the reason why I'm stopping her. I'm stopping her for blowing another stop sign. Regardless, since you're cooperating, and my supervisor is here, we're okay with releasing the vehicle to you. Is this a rental or is it your car?
It's a rental.
Do you have the rental agreement?
No, it's in my sister's name. But that's who house she just left, my house. She was at my house.
It's fine.
It's in my sister's name.
All right. But you're her mom.
Yeah.
Correct?
In the end, Shaughnessy was charged with resisting or obstructing an officer without violence. While awaiting trial, she was again arrested for petty theft. She pled no contest and was adjudicated guilty. In total, she was ordered to pay $1,400 in costs and fines, which was later sent to collections. At the time of this encounter, she had a warrant for her arrest. If you like this video and want to see more like it,
Unbelievable. At 18, you heading down a dark path like this. Simple tickets turning into a bigger deal. Petty theft. You not paying your fine. Now they gonna put a warrant out for you. Like, god damn. Right? You're ruining your life before you even have a chance. You don't even know what to do at 18. Life has just begun. You're not even in your prime. You know, I feel like prime years is like, man, my prime was like from 20, I would say 22 to like 22 to like 26. Now, COVID hit when I was like around 26 or whatever. Like, I feel like after COVID, like winds down. You know, there's nothing exciting after 25, honestly. You know, after 25, it's like the next best thing is just your insurance. Your car insurance gets to go down a little bit because you're above 20. You're at 25. Like, that's about it. There's nothing exciting. But man, your prime year, boy, 18 is not your. You don't even know. You can't even go to the bar and drink, man. You don't even know what's going on. But anyway, like I'm saying, she's ruining her life before it even begins. Honestly, it don't make no goddamn sense, man. But, from what I could tell, man, the apple don't fall far from the tree, just because the mom, she was okay. She was okay, but you could definitely tell the mom has a little attitude too. You know what I mean? She's definitely a little rough, and it's like, when you don't, and it's tough because it's like people be like, don't blame the parents, I get it, because kids is going to grow up and do what they're going to do anyways. But, you could try to put them in the best situation they could and, and lead by example. You know what I'm saying? But you could just tell by the little attitude that the mom got. She could pop off at the mom too. And the daughter, she got some anger issues. She probably got some things going on in her life. And it's just, she's spiraling out of control, man. But anyways, I'm gonna give the officer, man, I'm gonna get them 4 out of 5, man. I think they did pretty good. So 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.